Hello friends, welcome back to Five Fingers Exports. Today, we are thrilled to unveil the most profitable business idea of 2024. Let me explain. In the current era of a growing environmentally conscious generation, plastic products, especially plastic straws, are facing widespread bans imposed by governments aiming to reduce single-use plastics. So, what's the next step? Introducing the latest technology in straw manufacturing. Have you heard about PLA straws? PLA is a biocompostable and 100% recyclable biopolymer derived from renewable feedstocks such as corn, sugarcane, or wheat. Welcome to our innovative PLA straw making machine, proudly crafted in India, with advanced features like auto vacuum loading for raw materials. After loading, the machine advances to the primary heating stage, effectively removing moisture from the raw materials, and then it will load to the hopper. The heating component, known as the screws, operates at a temperature of more than 200 degrees, melting the granules for the next stage of production. This component shapes melted granules into straight, round PLA straws in the desired sizes. Following the production of straight PLA straws, the water cooling component efficiently cools the straws down, ensuring hardness and readiness, and then dries the straws using an air dryer. After drying, a puller part drags the straws to the cutter, precisely cutting them to the desired length. Our machine includes a counting feature, enabling you to keep track of the number of straws produced. The final PLA straight straws are collected in the straw collector through a conveyor system, completing the efficient production process. If you have any doubts about our machine, don't wait. Join us for a free live demonstration at our factory. Book your slots now and experience firsthand the incredible capabilities of our PLA straw machine. We look forward to welcoming you. See you in next video.